The WAV file type is usually uncompressed audio, but sometimes it uses a specific compression codec that Windows doesn't recognize. Instead of downloading sketchy codec packs, use VLC. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's get it playing. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized WAV file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. The WAV file extension typically indicates an audio file in the Waveform Audio File format. This format, developed by Microsoft and IBM, is a standard for storing uncompressed audio data. While offering high fidelity, WAV files can be quite large due to their uncompressed nature. If you encounter issues playing WAV files, ensure you have the necessary codecs installed, or consider converting them to MP3 for broader compatibility. WAV files store audio data as a series of samples, representing the amplitude of the sound wave at discrete points in time. The format supports various bit depths and sampling rates, influencing the audio quality and file size. WAV files often contain a header with metadata about the audio, such as the number of channels, sample rate, and bit depth. Codec issues can arise if the WAV file uses a less common or proprietary compression algorithm. Windows registers the WAV file as an opener for Microsoft Windows Media Player, developed by Microsoft Corporation. The native Windows utility cannot fully interpret the file's specific data structure. Windows offers a basic preview, but sound shaping or analysis needs specialized audio tools. We're checking the integrity of the format. Right-click your WAV file and click Open With. If Microsoft Windows Media Player is installed, start there. If it's not, try another option. The solution is usually hidden within one of your apps. If the WAV file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Errors with the WAV format usually come down to a small, critical detail. Let's review our checklist now and verify all necessary components. First, use Media Player. Open the file using any universal media player, e.g. VLC Media Player, Windows Media Player, or audio editor, e.g. Audacity. Next, check codecs. Ensure the necessary audio codecs are installed on your system. Finally, convert format. Use an audio editor or converter tool to convert the .wav file to a guaranteed compatible format like MP3. The inability to open a WAV file often points to an identity crisis, where the extension name doesn't match the file's true internal structure. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn WAV formats. My top recommendation is the Universal Viewer File Magic. It opens virtually all formats, including your tricky WAV file. Visit filemagic.com to download now. I truly value your viewership. If this helped, please like and subscribe to say thank you. We solved that issue quickly.